Good morning. What is going on, everybody? I know it's been a long time since I recorded a video, but I just want to go ahead and get this video out the way because there's a couple things I want to talk about with my car. So the last time that I made a video, basically, I said I didn't know who I was going to get tuned by. So admin, then I had set my mind on admin. At the time, I only had the Tomei exhaust ISRY pipe, and I had the Motordyne R pipes, but I didn't have them installed, I believe. And then I made a separate video of the Motordyne R pipes install video, and I had those on. But there's actually some more mods that I actually got. So let me go ahead and show you guys that right now so you guys can take a look. So basically what I ended up going with is, I don't know if you guys can see them, but I went with 3-inch intakes. I didn't record. I was recording a video for it because I also I went with admin 3-inch intakes, but I was recording a video, but I never finished it. So I was like, nah, I don't want to put out, you know, that type of content because it's not done. I don't want to, like, you know what I'm saying. I just felt like it wasn't good enough of a video. But that same day we did the intakes with my boy Chris. Shout out to my boy Chris for helping me out put these on. We actually also, but obviously you can't see that, put GTR injectors. So we put GTR injectors. So yeah, got that. And the reason why my car is on GTR injectors is because I am on E85. I decided to go E85 because I said to myself, I said, I don't want to put long tube headers on my car. So what's another alternative that I can use so I don't have to use headers, you know, long tube headers. So I said, okay, let me do some E85. So I'm on E85 now. So after doing a bunch of research and stuff like that, I came across a tuner, and I feel like where I'm from Maryland, so I feel like where I'm from, a lot of people don't know who this person is, or, you know, like or nobody's tuned by him. So I was like, let me give it a shot. So, you know, I reached out, we were talking and everything like that, and I am now tuned on Ecutech. And this is my tuner right here. I'm about to show you guys. I don't know if you guys can read that, but his name is Martin, but he goes by the name of RS Enthalpy. So that's who I'm tuned by. And what can I say? It's been amazing. The guy is great. His support is great. You know, when I got tuned, I was literally on the side of the highway at like 1 in the morning tuning my car. I was gonna record that, but I didn't because I don't know, I just felt like that's like a special moment to me, and that's something I wanted to remember, you know, just me and my car and stuff like that. There's just some things that you just don't want to put out there, if that makes sense. So that was one of those things that I just didn't want to put out there. But I went with Martin. He's a great guy, great tuner, and I will say getting a tune on your car makes it a whole lot different, like a whole lot different. But yeah, it's amazing. Like, I can definitely tell the difference. It's pretty quick. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already know this, but you know, I had a couple runs with a couple cars. You know, obviously I won some, I lost some. It's just how it is, but you're not gonna win everything, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, but they were great runs nonetheless. But yeah, let me show you guys something. Oh, I accidentally cut the video off. Sorry about that. I'm gonna show you guys a cold start of my 370Z, so you guys can hear how it sounds. Right now it's actually on E85, so you guys are gonna hear how it sounds. So here we go. So yeah, this is basically what I want to show you guys. So I go here, I go to where it says my car, and then the data logs and stuff literally tells me everything. Then this is my favorite. Those are my maps. I got a gas map, I got an E85 map, I got a gas pops and bangs, and I got an E85 pops and bangs. And it's crazy. The E85 pops and bangs is crazy, but me personally, excuse me, I don't like keeping it on that map. It's just me. I just keep it on the E85 if I'm on E, or on gas map if I'm on gas map. But yeah, it does make a night and day difference for sure, like 100%. And I love it. Like, this made me fall in love even more with the car. But I just wanted to make this video, you know, just to give a quick update. This video I'm recording right now, I think, is the current day, and then the clips that you guys are about to see of like the pulls and stuff was from the past day. But yeah, I just want you guys to hear how it sounds, you know, when I'm normal driving it, when I'm stepping on it a little bit and stuff like that. It's crazy. It does make a difference when you get a tune. So anybody with a 370, a 3.7 VQ, whatever, I highly recommend to get a tune. It is crazy how much of a difference you get out of it. And if you guys are looking to get tuned, I highly recommend going with Martin RS Enthalpy. I'm telling you guys, that guy is amazing. Me and him, you know, like I said, I was on the side of the highway at like 1 in the morning tuning my car, and then, you know, like, I was sending him logs, he was sending me some back, and it'll be like 2 in the morning on different days, and he was just sending it to me. But then you know, he has his personal life going on, and I told him, I was like, hey, listen, I am, you know, I was like, I'm not busy right now because I actually got my hours cut at work, so I haven't really been working, so I haven't really bought anything else for my car. And everything is it was slowing down, but now it's picking back up. So I definitely got some more mods coming in, and it's crazy. All right, so this is basically normal cruising on my about to show you guys on my E85 map. I'm on my E85 right there, as you guys can see. This is normal cruising. I'm gonna do a small pull, but I'm just gonna be very careful because the ground is like really wet. But it's just a small pull. Yeah, I'm losing track. Ford Explorers, because I always think they're cops. They might not be cops, but I always think they are. And yeah, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Obviously, when it gets nicer outside, I'll do like a second gear 40 or a second gear 50 and like run through the gears, you know what I'm saying? But I just wanted to like kind of give you guys like a little taste. Hold on. But I just want to, like I said, show you guys an inside view of how it sounds with the mods that I have on some corn juice. But yeah. So I'm just casually going on the highway, and there's a car on the grass over there. That's crazy. Yup, that's why I let off, because I was not catching traction at all. But yeah, it's so crazy. Oh man, look what we have here. Jesus. Another wrecked car. Yup, another wrecked car. Whoa, that whole front end was gone. Oh my goodness. But yeah, it's crazy. That's why, it's because the ground is wet. Like, it may not look like it's not raining, but the ground is wet for sure. But yeah, that's crazy. I hope everybody's okay. Don't tell me this is another one, yo. Yo, that was another one. Oh my goodness. Yo, that was 3 car accidents within like 30 seconds. Damn, that's crazy. All right, let me get this downshift. Exit because it's so close to this one, but it looks like we don't have any cars coming. Nah, we don't have cars coming. And then you guys are gonna see this exit, how it like winds around. It's a whole bunch of bumps and stuff, and my car is lowered. So yeah, I don't like it. But yeah, you see how tight it is. I don't like it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that little pool. Let me do one here. Hopefully I don't lose traction. But why did the light have to turn red? Oh man. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. Let me know what you guys think of the exhaust and all of that about those accidents. That's crazy. Hope everybody's okay though. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys, you know, like a little inside view of like how the car sounds and stuff. It is loud, I'm not gonna lie to you, but in all honesty, I'm already used to it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, like I was saying, I got more mods coming in. So next thing I'm trying to get is next thing I'm trying to get is an oil cooler, because my car, you know, VQs have a tendency with the overheating and stuff like that. Believe it or not though, with the E85 that I be putting, when I'm on E85, y'all see the temperature gauge right there, my temperature stay like roughly about 200. On 93, when I'm doing like 2 to 3 pulls, I'm already at 220 or a little bit past 220, and it just scares me. So once I see that, I just stop. I'm like, nope, I'm not beating on the car no more, just letting it be. But on E85, it keeps it cooler, so it stays like between 180 and 220 when I'm on E. And I do like a, you know, like 3 pulls or something like that, then, you know, obviously it starts going up. But with the oil cooler, that should keep it down a little bit. So that's my next plan to get. Oh, I did get a 4th brake light, so I'm waiting for that to come in. It still hasn't, it's shipped, but I'm still waiting for it to basically, you know, I'm waiting for it to get delivered. So you guys will see a video on that one as well. It's the 4th brake light. And also, I said I'm getting an oil cooler. I want to get some wheels, some tires, and then from there I want to focus on the outside of the car, like cosmetic wise, you know, like changing out the front bumper, rear bumper, adding a wing to the car. So I'm really looking forward to it. Like I said, I just got back to work, like, you know, I started getting my hours again and stuff like that. So that's gonna help out a lot. And I'm really excited for what's to come. Honestly, I'm pretty sure I'm done with performance, to be honest. Like, I'm done. I feel good about the car. It's nice. I'm done with NA mods for now. The next big thing is just to go boost, to be honest, and that's gonna be next year for my birthday. Literally, my birthday, I can't believe it. It's crazy. My birthday is actually 1 week from today. So my birthday is May 31st. That's next Sunday. And my goal was to be bolt-on and tuned before my birthday. And I did it I beat that goal by like about a month. So my goal next is to be boosted by next year before my 24th birthday. Hopefully that can happen. Hopefully, you know, this COVID stuff, you know, goes away and everything like that, so people can return back to work. I can, you know, keep grinding, getting my money, and be able to do it. But yeah, that's my goal, to be boosted by next year, hopefully. But yeah, if you guys are excited about what's to come, make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned on my channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but this is just an update video to get you guys you know, informed of what's been going on with my car and stuff like that, what's been done to it. But I do gotta say, I'm very happy with my car, with its performance. I'm very happy with my tuner, my choice that I went with, and that guy's amazing. He's great. I love Martin. He's amazing. He helps me with anything, any questions I have. He's great. So yeah, so just do me a favor, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave me some feedback of what you think of this video, what you guys want to see and stuff like that. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. I really appreciate you guys for staying tuned and watching all the way to the end. And we're coming up on 100 subscribers, and I'm thinking of doing a small giveaway. Obviously, it won't be nothing big, but it'll be a small giveaway. So just keep subscribing, turn on the post notifications so you know when I upload, and you stay informed and stuff like that. So yeah, just like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching.